What's up, guys? It's Chris Kinnerk here at Southbound Honda in Lakewood, Washington. We're kind of slow this time of year, so we got to thinking, how do we cut you guys a killer deal, pass on a good savings to you, and drum up some business? So we got to talking as a team, and we thought, we got all these Harley Davidsons, we've got Goldwings, we got a full lineup of off-road and motocross bikes. We've got RUBICONs and RANCHERs galore. Used inventory, forget about it. We've got Talons. And we've got more Talons, including the 1000X 4-seater box live valve. So what does this mean to you? Well, it means that we've got over 200 new and used bikes. And from now until the end of the year, we're gonna pay your sales tax. Yeah, so what's the catch? Truth be told, there is no catch. Our prices are the same as they were 2 weeks ago. We're gonna pay your sales tax on any new or used unit in the store. So if you're in the market for anything new or used, you guys got 2 weeks to make it happen. What are you waiting for? Get your asses down here, let's make it happen! Woo!